Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Academy English. Let's learn together the meaning of the word parched. Let's understand the pronunciation first. It's a two-syllable word, parched. A r sound is soft, parched. I heard Zohra. Today I was watching a YouTube short and New York's Mayor Zohran Mamdani said, "Right now, I feel parched," because he was fasting. What does parched means? Very thirsty. He was very thirsty. After playing outside in the sun all afternoon, I felt parched and drank 2 glasses of water. Here it also means I felt very thirsty. Now, here is another meaning of parched. The desert land looked parched after months without rain. So, parched also means a very dry land because of no rain or drought. She was parched from talking so much during her presentation. Here, parched means very thirsty. The farmer worried about his crops in the parched fields. Again, parched means very dry land here. My lips felt dry and parched in the cold winter wind. So she's also saying that her lips are dry. When she says parched, it means that they're also cracked, like you see cracks in dry fields. If it didn't rain for a long time or as a result of drought. The hikers were tired and parched after their long journey, so they were thirsty. The riverbed was cracked and parched during the drought. Parchment means here cracked because it was too dry. He asked for lemonade because he was completely parched. He was very thirsty. So parched means either very thirsty or cracked land because it is very dry. It can also be used to describe anything which is dry because of less moisture and there are cracks there. Now, can you please make some sentences with the word parched and share in the comments? Thank you. Bye.